A mother-in-law and a motorcycle seat weirdly have a lot in common. You don't mind them at first, but after an hour, they become a nagging pain in the butt. But at least with the motorcycle seat, I can actually do something about it. Ripple Impact shorts designed for motorcycle riders. They're stretchy, breathable, and padded where you actually need it. Plus, they're compression fit, so no more sliding, squirming, or post-ride regrets. I can't change my mother-in-law, but I can change how my seat feels on a 200-mile ride. Ripple Impact shorts.